welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 Real Estate. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, Java, Python, and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step, focusing on the title of assignment XP22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 Real Estate. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 7 ML1 Real Estate. Greater is automatically at your last name at the beginning of the file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this my file. I have downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I can do all courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Please contact me. If you do not able to do this assignment, I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade and very reasonable price. Question number 2 is that in cell E12 of the detail sheet, insert the switch function to evaluate the agent code in cell D12. Include mix cell references to the codes and roll in the range J2 to K4 for the values and result arguments. Use cell references in the function. Copy the function to the range E13 to E39. Basically in this question we will enter switch function in cell E12 of detailed worksheet. Click on cell E12, enter a switch function in cell E12, enter a switch function in here in cell E12. Okay, then we will click on cell D12 agent type and then J2 and then K2 barrage and dual agency. J2 is okay, then J3, then K3, then J4 and then K4, and then press enter. It will be find agent type is here. You can see on my PC screen. Okay, copy the function down E13 to E39. Okay, copy the function down through E13 to E39. Okay, this is good now. You can see this. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 3. In question number 3, in cell J12, insert the days function to calculate the number of days between the listing date and sales date. Copy the function to the range J13 to J39. Okay, basically in this question we will enter days function in cell J12. Okay, to calculate the number of days between the listing date and the sales date, click on cell J12, enter days function. Okay, and listing date and enter days function in here into sales date I12 and then listing date I12, then press enter. It will find days on market in cell J12. Now copy the function to the range J13 to J39. Copy down the function to J13 to J39. Okay, this is good now. Now we will moving on, next question is question number 4. In question number 4, in cell K12, insert the if-else function to calculate the agent's commission based on the agent code and the applicable rates in the range L2 to L4. Use relative and mixed references correctly. Copy the function to range K13 K39. Basically in this question we will click if-else function in cell K12 to calculate the agent's commission based on the agent. Click on cell K12, enter if-else function. enter if as function in cell K12. Okay, then we will enter formula in here. D12 agent type is equal to, enter statement is here, J for $, press shift and click on 4 button, J2, and then G12 multiplying by add $2, then D12 agent type is equal to $3, and then G12 sold price multiplying by add $3. Okay, then D12 agent type is equal to J$4 selling agent, J$4, and then G12 multiplying by sold price multiplying by add $4. Then press enter, it will find agent commission in cell K12. You can see here, copy down the function through K39. Copy down the function through K39. Okay, this is good now. Please follow my video to got A+ grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete course for you. Now in cell L12 we will enter if and function and J12. Okay, days on market less than is equal to L8. In L8 days on market, okay, and G12 sold price divided by F12. In F12 you can see list price, okay, greater than L7. For L7 percent of list, okay, then L9 is bonus amount, okay, then 0, then enter, press enter, it will be find bonus in cell L12. Then we will copy down the function K13 to K39, then copy down the function L12 to L39. You can see this in cell L12, insert an if function with as nested AND function to calculate the bonus. The AND function should ensure both conditions are met. Sold price divided by the listing price is greater than or equal to 100% and days on market as less than or equal to 30. L8 if both conditions are met, the bonus is $1,000. L9 otherwise the bonus is $0. You can see this formula. I have also done this formula in cell L12. Okay, then press enter, it will be find bonus price in cell L12. Okay, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade and with very reasonable prices. I can handle your complete course on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many college universities. I am also handling many students courses. Please contact me for your course help. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. Okay, bonus price will be 0. Then copy the function J13 to J39. Okay, you can see this. Bonus price will be found inside J12, L12. Copy down the function L12 to L39. This is done now. Now moving on to question number 6. In question number 6, in cell B2, insert the average if function to calculate the average sold price for houses in the city of Alphen. Use mixed references for the range. Use the relative references to cell A2. Copy the function and use the paste formula option to paste the function in range B3 to B5 so that the bottom border is cell B5 is preserved. Basically in this question we will enter a if average if function in cell B2 to calculate the average sold price for houses in city of Alphen. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell C2. B2 is equal to average if function, enter average if function in cell B2. To calculate the average sold price in cell B2, enter average if function. Okay, we will enter as average A function, and then we will enter a formula into ranges B dollar 12 city Garter Hills, city for Garter Hills, Garter Hill for city, who you can select B12 to B12 to B39. Okay, first range is B12 to B39. Then we will add second range for A2 Alpine for G 12 to G30, and for sold price G12 to G39 for sold price. Okay, then we will press enter. It will be find Alpine average sold price is here, and then we will copy down the formula, copy the function and paste B3 to B5, and the bottom part in cell B5 is preserved. Okay, copy down the function B3 to B5. You can copy this and paste in B3 to B5. Okay, this is good. Now moving on next question. Is please follow my video and see my video, and you will got A plus grade. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in future. I will upload complete course on my this YouTube channel. If you do not ever do this course, I will do this complete course for you with very reasonable prices. In cell C2, insert the counter function to count the number of houses in the city of Alpine. Use mixed references for the range and use a relative references to cell A2. Copy the function and use the paste formula option to paste the function cell C3 to C5, so the bottom border in cell B5 C5 is preserved. Click on cell C2 and insert the count a function to count number. Click on cell C2. Okay, enter count a function in cell C2 to count a function in cell C2. Okay, B12 to B12 to B39. Enter $sign. Press shift and click on 4 button. Okay, B12 to B39. First range is B12 to B39. First we will enter count a function cell B C2, and then we will enter count this range B12 to B39 in cell C2. Okay, B12 to B39, and the second range is that for A2 Alpine. Then press enter. It will find number sold in cell C2. Okay, copy the function C3 to C5. Then the border is cell C5 is preserved, and we will copy down this function C3 to C5. Copy down the function C3 to C5. Okay, this is done now. Now we will move on next question. Is question number 8. Click on C5 and go to the border and take bottom borders. Okay. In customer rate, you can see in customer rate in cell B7, insert the sum a function to total commission by agent. Use mixed references for the range and use a relative references to cell A7. Copy the function and use the paste formula option to paste the function cell B8 to B9, so the border are preserved. Basically in this question we will click on cell B7 and then we will insert the sum function to total the commission by agent. Moving on Excel workbook, and then we will click on cell B7 and we will enter sum if function in cell B7. First we will press is equal to, and then we will enter sum if function in cell B7. Here is sum if function. You can see a sum if function, and then enter C12 to C39 for selling agent. Okay, then A2 for Alpine, A7 for carry, then K12 to K39 for agent commission, K12 to K39 for agent commission, Then press enter, it will find carry in total commission by agent in here. Okay, now moving on next question. Sorry, copy and paste the function b8 to b9. The borders are preserved. Copy the function and paste b8 to b9. Please follow my video to get a plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Copy the function b8 to b9. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade and I will give you very reasonable price. I am also handling many students courses. Please contact me for your course help, and bottom border is reserved. Now moving on customer 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on customer 9. In customer 9, in cell F2 insert the count if s function in cell F2 to count the number of houses sold by the first agent E2 who was a dual agent DAJ3 for the house. Use all references in the function and copy the function to the range F3 to F4. Preserve the bottom border for F4. Basically in this question we will enter count if s function in cell F2 to count the number of houses sold by the click on cell F2. Enter count if s function in cell F2. Enter count if s function in cell F2. Count if s function, where is count if s function, here is count if s function, and then we will enter this range. Okay, C12 to C39. For first range is C12 to C39. Then E2, then D12 to D39 is second range. D12 to D39. D12 to D39. Focus on the my PC screen. I am doing this question for you. You will follow this question and you will get a plus grade. D39 and then J3. Okay. Then press enter, it will find total hash sold in cell F2. Okay, then we will copy the function to the range F3 to F4. Preserve the bottom border for cell F4. Okay, we will copy this function F3 to F4. Okay, then we will bottom border preserved on cell F4. Click on cell F4, go to the border and then apply thick bottom border. Okay, now we are moving on next question. Is question number 10. In question number 10, in cell G2 insert the sum if s function to the sum of the selling price of the houses sold by the first agent cell E2 who was the dual agent DAJ3 for houses. Copy the function to the range G3 to G4 and preserve the bottom border for cell G4. Basically in this question we will enter sum if s function in cell G2 to sum the selling price of the houses sold by first agent. Moving on Excel workbook, click G2, enter sum if s function in cell G2. Enter sum if s function in cell G2. Okay. Okay, G12 to G39 for first range. G12 to G39 for first range, and then enter C12 to C39. C12 to C39 in second range. Okay, then E2 for carry dual agent, then D12 to D39. Sorry, for dollar sign press shift and click 4 button. D12 to D39, D12 to D39 second range. Remove hash, sorry, press shift and press 4 button for $sign. Okay, then J dollar, again I put hash, please. G3, then press enter to find total sold price. Copy the function G3 to G5. Okay, you will copy it on the function G3 to G5. Remove G6 value. Okay, now moving on next question. Okay, place thick bottom border on cell G4. Moving on next question is question number 11. In cell I2 insert the max if function. In cell I2 insert the max if as function. In cell H2 display the highest price. Houses sold by the first agent E2 who was a dual agent. And J3, that's houses. Copy the function to the range H3 to H4 and preserve the border in the range H3 to H4. Basically in this question we will enter max if as function cell I2 to display the highest price house sold by the first agent. Moving on, Excel workbook, click on cell I2, max if as function, enter in cell I2. Here is max if as function, and then we will enter this range G12 to G39. First range is G12 to G39 sold price. Okay, and then second range is that C12 to C39 for selling agent. C12 to C39 for selling agent, and then E2 carry dual agent, carry for dual agent E2, and then D12 to D39 for agent type. D12 to D39. Okay, for $sign press shift and click on 4 button. $sign will be applied on this numbers and this range. Okay, then $3, then press enter to find highest sold price in cell I2. Okay, copy down the function H3 to H5, H3 to H4, and then click on cell H4 and then preserve the bottom border is preserved, thick bottom border. Copy the function to the range H3 to H4. Copy the function to the range H3 to H4. You can copy this function H3 to H4 and then click on cell H4, go to the border and apply thick bottom border. This is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 12. In question number 12, display the map worksheet, select the range we want to C5, insert a map chart. Basically in this question first we will select this range and then click on switch map sheet and enter this range in range area, and then click on insert tab and click on map and insert this map on is this Excel sheet. Okay, change the map title to average selling price by 0 zip code. Okay, first we will copy this title average selling price by zip code and we will put this title on the map. You can put this title on the map average selling price by zip code. Now moving on, next question is question number 14. Cut the display the format data series task pane. Select the option to display only one region with data and show all label. Close the task pane. Moving on, Excel workbook, and right click on this map, click on format data series. You can select map area only one region and label is show all. Okay, and close the task pane. Now moving on to question number 15. In question number 15, you can cut this and paste in cell A7. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 15. Oh sorry. Now set 2.35 heights and 3.62 width. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on charts and click on format tab. Click on chart, click on format, and first we will change this height. We will set height is 2.31 and width is 3.62, and width is 3.62 of this chart, this map 3.62. okay, and I have done this map height and width. I have done 2.31 heights of this map, and I have set the 3.62 width of this map. Now moving on question number 15. In question number 15, you can see on my instruction file, and you will follow this video to get A+ grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for my all students with A+ grades. I am also handling this complete course for my many students, and please contact me for your course help. I will do complete course for you with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Display the loan worksheet in cell A9. Insert the eDate function to add 1 month to date in cell A8. Format this cell with short date number format. Copy the function to the range A10 to A19. Basically, in this question we will moving on loan worksheet, and then we will click on cell A9 and then insert the eDate function. Okay, moving on loan worksheet, click on cell A9 and then enter eDate function. Okay, A8 and then 1, then press enter. It will be show all dates, payment dates in here, and copy the function to the range A10 to A19 and then apply short date format. Okay, copy this function and then go to the home tab and go to the number group, and then we will apply short date format on these dates. Select the range A9 to A19, apply right horizontally alignment and indent 1. Right horizontally alignment and indent 1. First we will go to the home tab and click on the number group. Click on indent 1 and right horizontally alignment. Okay, display the format the cell with shorted format. Go to the general, click on shorted format. This is done now. You can see here I have done 90% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, Python, C++, and many more courses. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, or if you do not able to do any course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade and very reasonable price, and I will handle your complete course with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Thanks for watching my video. Please, my all students, subscribe my channel. I will help you in your future. Okay, and I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much very much.